guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Miriam Sato. For today's video, we will be making a video tutorial on how we can attach an external microphone to the DSLR camera. So what I have here is the Canon DSLR camera, and I will be attaching this external microphone that I actually bought last Christmas. So keep on watching, so I will show you how to do it. So as you can see, there is an area where we can mount an external camera. So now I will show you how to do it. I'm just gonna have to strap it on like that, and make sure after doing it you have to tighten it up so it doesn't fall off. Once you have done it, then you can go on the side of the camera and you will see here mic. So that is where we are going to attach our microphone. So you're just gonna have to put this into the microphone socket just like that, and there you have it. Now the next thing we are going to do is we're gonna have to configure the sound recording. So just gonna have to turn on this one, and then you have to switch to video mode so we will be able to see, and then we're gonna have to go to menu. There is menu, and then we are going to be checking the shooting setting. Okay, there you have it, and there is sound recording. As you can see, it's currently in auto. Now we can switch this auto mode to a manual mode. That means if we can put that in manual mode, the sound that our camera is picking is coming from our external microphone that we are attaching. So now I'm just gonna have to put this back on to the auto mode. This is just for tutorial. So now you can actually see how easy it is to attach a microphone to your DSLR camera and how you could configure the sound recording to your camera. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Till next time, bye!